Good morning to all class 3 students. Hello students, first take out your class 3 science book and then come to the page number B34, which is a chapter 12 air, water and weather. So do you remember in the previous class we have already discussed about your chapter air, water and weather. So today we are going to discuss about the remaining part of this chapter, yani your exercise part. Let's come to the point. Let's memorize. Okay. तो जो हमने पढ़ा है थोड़ा उसको याद कर लेते हैं. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एवापोरेशन? द चेंज ऑफ वाटर टू वाटर वेपर ऑन हीटिंग इज कॉल्ड एवापोरेशन. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कंडेंसेशन? द चेंज ऑफ वाटर वेपर टू वाटर ऑन कूलिंग इज कॉल्ड कंडेंसेशन. Then come to the point, what is weather? And the condition of air at a particular place and a particular time is called weather. Now come to the point, season. What is season? Now a period in which weather remains same is called a season. Now come to the point, let's revise. We cannot see, smell or taste in air. ओके तो एयर को ना ही हम देख सकते हैं, ना ही महसूस कर सूंघ सकते हैं और ना ही टेस्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके बट वी कैन फील इट व्हेन इट मूव्स. बट हम उसको सिर्फ महसूस कर सकते हैं. एयर ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस, हैज मास एंड गिव शेप टू थिंग्स. तो एयर जगह लेता है, उसका वजन भी है और वो आकृति को भी बदल देता है. एयर कंटेन्स गैसेस, डस्ट, स्मोक, जर्म्स एंड वाटर वेपर. Forms of water change continuously in nature. Weather keeps on changing. It may be sunny, cloudy, windy or rainy. Summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring are 5 seasons in a year. Now come to the point. Your exercise A, take the correct answer. The first question is, we use water for, the options are drinking, sleeping, breathing, flying. The correct answer is drinking. We use water for drinking. Then come to the question number 2. We breathe in. The options are oxygen, water, nitrogen, hydrogen. The correct answer is oxygen. We breathe in oxygen. Then the third question is, teeny water droplets form. The options are clouds, winds, lakes, sun. The correct answer is clouds. Teeny water droplets form clouds. Now come to the question number 4. Sunny days are, the options are cold, windy, hot, rainy. The correct answer is hot. Sunny days are hot. Now come to the question number 5. We see many beautiful flowers in, the options are spring, autumn, summer, autumn, monsoon. The correct answer is spring. We see many beautiful flowers in spring. Now come to the question exercise B. Write T for true and A for false statement. When the statement is true, so we should put T here. When the statement is false, so we should put F here. The first statement is, air is present all around us. This statement is true, so we should put T here. The second statement is, we cannot see water. This statement is false because we cannot see air, but we can see water. हम air को नहीं देख सकते, but water को देख सकते हैं. Okay? तो ये statement गलत है. Then come to the question number 3. Air contains water vapor. This statement is true. Okay? So we should put T here. Then the fourth question is, summer is the hottest season of the year. This statement is also true, so we should put T here. And the fifth question is, leaves fall in winter season. This statement is false because leaves fall in autumn season, not winter season. Okay. Then come to the exercise C, name the following. The first question is, the hottest season of the year. You can write in detail, summer is the hottest season of the year. Okay, you can write in detail, summer is the hottest season of the year. Then come to the question number 2. The gas which you breathe in. The name of the gas is oxygen. You can write in detail, oxygen is the gas which we breathe in. Okay. Now come to the question number 3. 3 forms of water. Okay, here is the answer. 3 forms of water are ice, water and water vapor. Okay. Then come to the exercise D, answer the following question. Okay, the first question is, what causes change in weather? You can write, sun, wind, rain and clouds are causes change in weather. You can write in detail, remember. Okay, you can write sun, wind, rain and clouds are causes change in weather. Then come to the question number 2. What does air contain? Now, air contains oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water vapor, germs, dust, etc. Okay, you can write oxygen, air contains oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water vapor, okay, gases, dust, smoke, germs, etc. Then come to the question number 3. How many seasons are there in a year? Name them. You can write there are 5 main seasons in a year. Okay, you can write there are 5 seasons in a year. They are, what are they? Summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. Okay. Then come to the question number 4. Draw the picture of water cycle. Okay, you can draw the picture of water cycle. ये वाटर साइकिल पिक्चर है, आप इसको अपनी कॉपी में करोगे. ओके, ये वाटर साइकिल का पिक्चर है. Then come to the question number 5. Why are afternoons hotter than morning? Okay, why are afternoons hotter than morning? तो आप लिख सकते हो कि afternoons are hotter than morning because in the afternoon the sun shines directly overhead, but in the afternoon the sun rays are slanting. Okay, you can write afternoons are hotter than mornings because in the afternoon the sun shines directly overhead, but in the mornings and evenings sun rays are slanting. Afternoons are hotter than mornings because in the afternoon the sun shines directly overhead. आप सिर्फ इतना ही लिख दो, काफ़ी है. ओके, ये लॉन्ग करने की, लेंथी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. ओके, आप इसको शॉर्ट में लिखोगे कि आफ्टरनून्स आर हॉटर देन मॉर्निंग बिकॉज इन द आफ्टरनून द सन शाइन्स डायरेक्टली ओवरहेड. ओके, मैं और एक बार रिपीट कर देती हूँ कि आफ्टरनून्स आर हॉटर देन मॉर्निंग बिकॉज इन द आफ्टरनून द सन शाइन्स डायरेक्टली ओवरहेड. क्लियर? बस इतना ही लिखना है. ओके, तो ये कुछ एक्टिविटी है कि लुक एट द पिक्चर बिलो एंड टिक द एक्टिविटीज़ वेयर वाटर इज़ बीइंग यूज्ड. स्विमिंग के लिए वाटर चाहिए, टिक करोगे, बट गुब्बारे भरने के लिए तो एयर चाहिए, वाटर नहीं. और ड्रिंकिंग के लिए वाटर चाहिए, कुकिंग के लिए वाटर चाहिए, नॉट वॉकिंग एंड मॉपिंग के लिए भी वाटर चाहिए. मॉपिंग मतलब पोंछना. ओके, तो इसको टिक करोगे. तो बच्चों, आज आपका ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गया पूरी तरह से. आप इसको और एक बार रिवाइज करोगे और इसके आंसर कॉपी को आपके स्कूल ऐप की तरफ सेंड करोगे. ओके, थैंक यू. गॉड ब्लेस यू.